Hello, everyone! Today we are reviewing a new product from Huawei, the Pura 70 Pro model. This smartphone promises to be a hit thanks to its powerful characteristics and innovative technologies. Let's figure out what attracts attention and what interesting things are hidden under its body. The first thing that catches your eye is the premium design. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is made in a stylish case with metal and glass elements. The back panel is made of glossy glass, which gives the smartphone an expensive look. In front, we are greeted by a large 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1260 by 2844 pixels, which provides stunning image clarity. The screen supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which guarantees smooth operation of the interface and games. The display brightness reaches 2,500 nits, so even in bright sunlight, the picture will be perfectly visible. Now let's talk about the cameras. This is one of the key points worth paying attention to. Huawei is traditionally famous for its photography capabilities, and the Pura 70 Pro is no exception. It has a 50-megapixel main camera, complemented by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle module, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. This camera supports many shooting modes, such as night mode, portrait shooting, and 4K shooting. And the 13-megapixel front camera with artificial intelligence takes great selfies in any lighting. As for performance, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro is also at its best. The smartphone runs on the Kirin 9010 processor, which ensures high speed even in the most demanding applications. In conjunction with 8/12 of a gigabyte of RAM and a 256 512 of a gigabyte drive, you can be sure that the phone will cope with any tasks. The smartphone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 technologies, which makes it an excellent choice for those who always want to stay connected and use the latest networks. The Huawei Pura 70 Pro has a 5,000 mAh battery for autonomy, which will easily last the whole day even with active use. And thanks to support for super fast charging at 100 watts, you can charge your phone from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. Let's not forget about the additional features. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is equipped with stereo speakers, which guarantees high-quality sound when watching movies and listening to music. The smartphone also supports wireless charging and reverse charging, so you can charge your accessories directly from the phone. For those who care about security, the Pura 70 Pro has a fingerprint scanner under the screen and a face recognition function. In conclusion, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro is a powerful and stylish smartphone that is perfect for those who are looking for high technology, reliable performance, and the best shooting capabilities. If you are looking for advanced features in a beautiful package, then this smartphone is definitely worth your attention.